Welcome back to the Spark Path Microlesson Library Tool Demonstration Series. In our previous videos, we covered Table Talk, the Writing Assessment Tool, the Comprehension Quiz Generator, and the Review Analyzer. If you missed any of those, you can click the playlist link appearing on the screen right now. Today, we are looking at the fifth and final core tool in this series, the Spelling Test Generator. Let's click in. First, I'll toggle to full screen for a better view. The Spelling Test Creator has two distinct options, and we will go through both. You can use an auto-generated list based on curriculum year groups, or a manually created list for specific topics. Let's start with the auto-generated list. This is perfect for quick standard practice. Simply choose a year group, let's pick Year 5, and select the number of spellings you want. We'll stick with 10. Click Generate List and the AI instantly provides age-appropriate words alongside context sentences. At the bottom, you have options. You can present to class to project this on a whiteboard, or generate a share link to send to students independently. Let's click Start Student Test to see what the student experience.
Initial.
As soon as it opens, the app speaks the word. You can replay the word audio.
Initial.
Or click here to play the context sentence.
The initial plan was to go to the park, but then it started to rain.
The student types the word, clicks check for instant feedback, and moves to the next word.
Conscious.
I'm just going to quickly complete this test to show you the end result. Now let's look at the manually created list. This is incredibly effective for creating topic-specific tests, perhaps for a science experiment or a history subject. You can add comma-separated words manually, upload a CSV file, or use the Extract from Text feature. I'm going to paste in the text from the film review we used in the previous video. I'll ask the AI to extract 10 keywords from this text. Here is our list. You have the option to delete any words you don't want here. Once you're happy, the sharing options at the bottom are exactly the same as before. When a student completes the test via a share link, they get an immediate summary screen. And here is a great feature. If the student achieves a score of 80% or more, they have the option to download a personalized certificate to celebrate their success. Let's go back to the library. That concludes our demonstration of the 5 currently available tools. As new tools are added to the library, we will create new demonstration videos for them. To sign up for the Spark Path Microlesson Library yourself, please visit the website listed on the screen now. Thanks for watching.